7th, Subject Science, Chapter number 2, Questions and Answers, Part 1. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash, 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 and dash. B. The largest gland in the human body is dash. C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many fingers like outgrowths called dash. E. Amoeba digests its food in the dash. Answers: A. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. B. Liver, C. Digestive, D. Villi, E. Food vacuole. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and mark F if it is false. A. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. B. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. D. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Answers of question number 2: A. F, B, T, C, T, D, T. Question number 3. Tick S. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, fat is completely digested in the first stomach, second mouth, third small intestine, fourth large intestine. Answer is small intestine. B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the first stomach, second food pipe, third small intestine, D. large intestine. Answer is D. large intestine. Question number 4. Match the column first with those given in second column. Column 1. Food components, carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Column 2. Product of digestion, fatty acids and glycerol, sugar, amino acids. Answer is food components, products of digestion, carbohydrates, sugar, proteins, amino acids, fats, fatty acids and glycerol. Question number 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? Answer: the finger-like projections in the inner walls of the small intestine is called villi. These are found in small intestine. Function: the villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Question number 6. Where is the villi produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Answer: villi is produced in the liver. The villi juice stored in sac called the gallbladder It helps in the digestion of fats.